Next thing we're going to do is put this all together. So looking at vertex form, we need to name the axis symmetry, the vertex maximum minimum value, and the domain and range. Alright, first thing we're going to do is identify that axis symmetry. That axis symmetry should always be x is equal to h. H in this case is 4. My vertex should match. That would be 4 comma some number. That other number that goes along with it in that vertex should be -2 because it's always plus k. So since that sign changed, that means my sign changed on my vertex as well. Do I have a maximum or minimum? That should be easy to tell. You look directly at A. If A is positive, we are thinking positive thoughts, which means that it would have a minimum value. It bottoms out. And where that minimum happens, that would be at that y value of -2. My domain of this function, there is not a singular x that I cannot use, so that is all reals. So in set builder, that was that weird R thing from way back in the day. Or in interval notation, I can plug everything into the left on my number line and everything to the right on my number line. My range should be from -2 all the way to infinity because I am starting at -2 and I'm going up forever. So range is always from bottom to top on your graph. And that's it. Alright, same thing on B. So this time I've got x is equal to h for my axis of symmetry. And that should be -5 because I had a sign change. That means that I had a sign change for my axis of symmetry and my vertex that I plug in. My vertex this time is going to match that -5, comma, I've got plus k this time, so my sign did not change in this particular case. Do I have a maximum or minimum this time? This time I have negative thoughts, so it's a frowny face, which means that I have a maximum. And that maximum value should match my y value of my vertex, so I have a maximum at 7. My domain should never change if I have a quadratic. I should just have from -infinity to +infinity. And my range should go from... Why did I write 2 R's? I don't know. My range should go from -infinity all the way up to +7. And that's it for that.